You're looking at the 2026 Caterpillar DP115, and let me tell you, this machine is not just another forklift, it's a game changer in the world of heavy-duty material handling. Built to dominate both indoor and outdoor industrial environments, the DP115 is the kind of powerhouse you bring in when there's no room for compromise. From its bold new design to its unmatched lifting performance, Caterpillar has raised the bar once again, delivering a rugged diesel-powered forklift that combines brute strength with refined control. At first glance, the DP115 screams authority. Its aggressive stance, reinforced steel frame, and modern LED lighting system give it an unmistakably commanding presence. But this isn't just about looks. Every inch of this machine is engineered for durability and efficiency. It can handle up to 11.5 tons with ease, and not just lift, but maneuver with a surprising amount of grace for its size. Under the hood, you're looking at a turbocharged high-performance diesel engine that delivers raw power with low emissions. It's Tier 4 final compliant, meaning it meets the latest environmental regulations while still giving operators the torque they need in demanding applications. Whether you're loading steel in a shipyard or moving concrete blocks on a rugged construction site, this engine doesn't flinch. It delivers consistent power output even in extreme heat, cold, or uneven terrain. The new cooling system, combined with smart airflow engineering, ensures the DP115 runs cooler for longer, increasing uptime and reducing maintenance costs. Inside the operator's cabin, Caterpillar has taken things to another level. You get a fully redesigned ergonomic cockpit that rivals luxury vehicles. Adjustable air suspension seating, a user-friendly 7-inch digital touchscreen display, and customizable hydraulic controls all work together to put the operator in full command. There's even an optional climate control system with automatic dust filtering, something that matters when you're working long shifts in unpredictable environments. Plus, the visibility is excellent from every angle thanks to the slim profile overhead guard and panoramic windows. Safety meets comfort, and productivity skyrockets as a result. When it comes to lifting performance, the 2026 DP115 doesn't play around. With a massive lift capacity of 25,000 pounds, it can handle oversized pallets, raw materials, heavy piping, and large containers like they're nothing. The hydraulic system has been upgraded with responsive joystick control, giving the operator smooth and precise handling. It doesn't matter if you're threading through tight warehouse aisles or navigating an open yard with heavy loads, the DP115 responds intuitively to every move. And with the latest in load sensing hydraulics, the machine automatically adjusts oil flow and pressure to match demand, saving energy and reducing wear over time. One of the biggest highlights of this model is its intuitive smart technology suite. You've got onboard diagnostics that provide real-time alerts and performance tracking, remote monitoring via Cat Connect, and preventative maintenance reminders that make fleet management easier than ever. You can schedule servicing, monitor fuel efficiency, and even geofence your equipment to prevent unauthorized usage. This level of tech integration not only reduces downtime but gives you peace of mind knowing your investment is protected 24/7. Now let's talk about mobility. The turning radius on the DP115 is surprisingly tight for a forklift this size, and it's built with a reinforced drive axle that allows smoother turns under full load. The steering system is electronically assisted, making it less tiring on operators over extended periods. And the transmission is fully automatic with multiple operating modes: power mode for intense lifting tasks, eco mode for fuel efficiency, and terrain mode for navigating rough surfaces. Whatever your job demands, the DP115 adapts to your environment and keeps moving without hesitation. Another huge win for the 2026 model is its enhanced safety package. Caterpillar has added 360-degree camera vision with motion detection alerts, anti-tip stability control, and an automatic speed reduction feature when cornering with heavy loads. There's also a proximity alert system that warns both the operator and nearby pedestrians of potential collisions. In a high-stakes work environment, these features aren't just helpful, they're life-saving. And while the performance and safety features steal the spotlight, Caterpillar didn't forget about long-term ownership. The DP115 is built to last, with reinforced mast components, self-lubricating bushings, and high-grade corrosion-resistant coatings. Maintenance points are all within easy reach, and the engine compartment has been re-engineered for faster access during inspections. Caterpillar offers a 3-year or 6,000-hour standard warranty on this model, with extended service plans available to match your fleet needs. Fuel economy is another area where this machine delivers big time. Thanks to its electronic engine control unit and smart load balancing, the DP115 uses diesel more efficiently, reducing fuel costs without compromising on output. Over the course of a year, this can mean thousands of dollars in savings, and less environmental impact, too. Operators who've tested the DP115 in the field report lower fatigue, faster cycle times, and improved confidence when handling oversized or unbalanced loads. It's clear that Caterpillar designed this machine with real-world performance in mind, not just specs on paper. It's the kind of forklift that doesn't just meet expectations, it smashes them. If you're managing a high-volume logistics hub, a port, a steel factory, or a major construction site, the Caterpillar DP115 should be on your radar. It's more than just a forklift. It's a heavy lifting solution built to work harder, smarter, and longer. In a market full of options, the DP115 stands tall as the new gold standard in the 11 to 12-ton class. So whether you're upgrading your fleet or looking for that one powerhouse machine to handle the heavy lifting with reliability and intelligence, the 2026 Caterpillar DP115 is worth every second of your attention. It's Caterpillar's answer to the future of industrial lifting, and it's ready to work right now.